Welcome, friends. We are doing a live session today for today's expiry. Let's wait for some time for people to join. Welcome, friends. We are doing a live session. So let's wait for 2-3 minutes and then we will start. Live session. If you have any questions, you can put in the comments box so that I can answer them. So basically today what we are doing is we have opened around 33,800 levels, and immediately market got rejected at 800. So I took a straddle at around 33,400 with a 400 point gap. I sold 33,800 call and 32,800 put. I sold it off in the morning because I need to focus on other things. So today for expiry, what I'm expecting is we will kind of travel this zone, this particular zone. There is high probability of that happening. And mostly we may break 3390 levels also if we get aggressive on the downside towards the end of the day. But initially, as highlighted in SOTM Live, I am looking for this zone 1, this particular zone. Basically, we should not break this zone until 12:30, till large players build positions around these levels. And then for expiry, they may either break this level or on the upside. On the upside, I will be careful about 35,053. And on the downside, I will be careful about 33,016. Basically, we may not have, as of now, it looks like we may not have a trend day. But as we move towards 12:30, we need to see how the momentum is building and how options are changing their strategy. Option players are changing their strategy. As of now, what is happening is basically large players had huge positions about 33,800. They are trying to unwind those positions. And in our paid room, we took a short at around 33,700 with just 40 points, 60 points stop loss. So I'm looking for a target of around 33,400. So in Nifty, what is happening? The same thing is happening in Nifty. So we did not break 15,830 levels. You see that, we opened around 845, but immediately, we opened around 820. Immediately we got rejected here. So we are now getting into the balance zone. We are now getting into this balance zone. You see this. So this is what I expect, because there is a lot of kind of rejection here. We need to break this zone with a gap now. And you see that we are making a kind of lower highs. Basically, we got into that. So in this balance zone, we are not able to climb up. I would have, like today, I would have been bullish only on a open above 951 or 950 odd levels and took this moving average into custody. I mean, we should have, like, whenever we are going to go up, these three moving averages are going to be very important, crucial levels. So in fact, because of the event, I exited my straddle positions. Otherwise, they would have been more profitable now. So my intention was to, kind of, I sold around 16,000 and 16,100 calls, as well as 15,500 puts. And today it looks like, that would have been in far better position given the kind of volatility we had. Now we will travel this zone very faster. We will go until 667 is what I told you in the morning live session. And below that, we are going to, kind of look for 660 and even 15,500 levels. Let's wait for 5 minutes. People might come at 10:30, as I have informed 10:30. So let's wait for them. And then just keep on looking at the charts. See how in value area we are kind of aggravating the move. So basically in Bank Nifty 2, we should reach this value area pretty faster. So once we reach this value area, we are going to travel very fast, but we need to break this 527 level. Let's wait for 5 minutes and let people join after 9:30 so that get some more people to discuss. Basically, this is the point of control line. So we have crossed that also, one step at a time. Basically, we are moving from out of value area zone to inside value area zone. So the moment we step into value area, things are going to get faster, and there will be a lot of acceptance. There will be a lot of liquidity there. And the market may try to do a two-way auction here, like it may move a bit here and there. But now, unless we move above 796, there is no hope for longs. Let's look at Bank Nifty. Yesterday, I told you that 560 is the level. 560 is the level which where players came with a huge holding and they shunted it down. And you see today our low is around 580. So we need to break that level also. This high is very important. So once we break this, we will travel this zone very fast. So if large players want to control the market in a range today, they will close it near 33,400. Basically, we'll close near 33,374. They might want to close it there. But if they want to trend it, they have to go all the way to 33,090. Strangely, liquidity in Nifty is very thin today. It's not as good as yesterday. So that's because large people were pretty confirmed about 75 basis points hike, and they had very confident positions. It was very easy to create a straddle in this market and make money. So the kind of move that we are getting is pretty slow. It's not fast like it should be after an event today. But probably that is because after 12:30, I think we may have fast moves. Until then, all the options people will kind of control their books. They have made some losses post the event because of this gap. But almost they have closed the gap near the high, but the gap close is good when we go towards yesterday's close. That means we should travel this value area zone for shorts to get. Please bear with me if there are any, currently suddenly the screen goes blank because I'm working on a poor internet network. So please bear with me. If we occupy this 33,516, 527, then this move can be pretty fast. And this is where you can do options trades very easily. See what are HDFC and HDFC Bank doing. So yeah, HDFC Bank is positive. Sorry, HDFC is positive, and HDFC Bank is positive as well. So let's see what our Reliance is doing. Oh my God, See, any kind of move is getting sold. Any kind of move is getting sold. I told you 2650 is the level where they are playing 20 points this side and that side. It's a slow market. So basically, once we are here, we'll get very fast. And I'm expecting Bank Nifty to drop to 33,090. But I will take one step at a time. So basically, when I initiated short in the morning, I sold my uh, positions, both 33,800 call as well as 32,800 put. And we shorted it around, in our client room, we shorted at around 33,670. And we are in a deep profit. So basically, I'm just looking for market to push beyond this zone. That's it. One move below 33,527, there can be a big gash. In Nifty as well, oh my God, lovely that is. So see how we are happily going down. Option sellers might be having a field day because the market is very slow, giving time to predict where it can go. So basically in Nifty, I'm looking for a touch of 15,522. For that, we need to break this value area. We have even broken this point of control. So basically, all I am looking is for a move here, and there can be a two-way move here because there will be a lot of players here waiting for taking opposite positions or rolling over to next week. So only below this, they will get frightened and they will start building a different position. It's a slow market, so we have to be concurrently very patient when trading this market. Let's see if Reliance has any trade. Yeah, I look for break of 26. Yeah, we need to break 2650. Otherwise, this is only going to get tougher. So these rotations will keep happening whenever the market is falling. It cannot go continuously. So mostly as retailers, this is what plays with our mind. So we are continuously put in question whether this will go up or go down. We need to have the confidence. So until 33,747, I'm not going to give up. So we're trying to get back to 33,631, but so basically at 640 again we'll get some sellers. Let's wait for them. So I'm waiting for 640 where we may get some kind of sellers here. So and then again we will go down. Same in Nifty. We are coming back towards 770 where again sellers will take the market down until I am above 830. I close above 830 and I see a lot of action here. I am not going to get positive. It's a slow and down day. Guys, if you have any questions, you can put in the chat box. I'll answer them. See, as I told you, during the in the value area, we'll make two-way moves basically. So we'll start coming down only when again. So this is how market profile helps, and this is how auction market theory helps you to understand how to trade. Basically, when it is coming down, and even a small up, even a kind of 50 or 60 point rise will put our thesis in question. That is the reason why most of the retail traders fail, because they give in to the emotions that the market is broadcasting. Very important point. The market keeps on broadcasting something with which you get confused. You should not. So you need to stick to your theory and play it well. See, as I told you, in value area, there will be two-way action. I told you. You can go back and check in the video. So as we do this two-way action, we are clearing all the inventory here. And once we clear the inventory, the aim is now to break yesterday's low, which is around 680. And I will be more confident if it breaks 669 or 667, around 640 levels. We need to break that. So until we break 830, happily we can short. But now there is no edge. Now, if you want to go short, you need to find out a location that is more near, which is like 770. Even now, if you are okay to forego like 40 points, you can short below this level. You can go short below 743, or you can take a put 750 put. But condition is you should exit when it suddenly hits 770. In our room, we have taken a put 15900 put very early in the day. Early in the day, we have taken a put. And also we have shorted Bank Nifty. So basically the advantage of starting early in the day is you have many opportunities. But it doesn't mean you start anywhere. You need to have good conviction that we may take the trade with a smaller stop loss. That is more important. Let's see what is happening in Bank Nifty. Yeah, it is. See, again, it went to 640. Again, it is falling. And we need to break 633, 527 levels. And that is when I see 33,400 as the initial target for my shorts. And we have a stop loss of only 60 points. That's it, not beyond that. So please do not get bored if the screen is going blank in between. I'm working with a poor internet connection, so because of which the broadcast is not happening freely. See, again, as I told you, this value area zone is a very important level, and this is where we will move very slowly. It is like, running on sand. So in value areas, what happens is the moves are always two-way and they get confused because there will be number of players here sitting to do two-side market. So they will take it up, they will take it down, they will ultimately, until we break the value area, the decision will not be out who will win. Basically, on expiry days, if you can identify the trend early in the day, you don't have to look for lottery trades late in the day. That is one advantage of any trading day. I generally prefer to finish my trading by 10:30 or 11 so that I don't have to worry at the end of the day. Most of the time, you see that I become very calm after lunch. After lunch, it is just doing the homework for next day rather than taking the trades and getting worried about it. That is the kind of professional attitude you should have. Most of the professional traders, they do not trade entire day. They just trade when they have to and then done. That's how you should be. So we are hitting our first target inputs. Let me see. Our target is 186. Let me. So yeah, we have reached our target one. As I told you, we may have very good move within value area because most of the sellers are taking control of the auction in this zone. And once we break 687, it's going to be fireworks. We'll go to 660. It looks like, as of now, it looks like 522 will be coming. Let's. We are done with our first target. We are waiting for our second target in 15900 put. We may have some reversal at around 709. I will be careful with this 709 level. Yesterday, buyers came with aplomb here. So I'll be careful here. But if it is broken, 667 is coming. Let's look at Bank Nifty. What is, yeah, that is lovely. So here also, our target is around 33,400. We have shorted here somewhere at this level with a stop loss of 747. So now we are going to shift the stop loss to entry, and we will wait for 33,400. This will come. I think mostly this particular level will come. 33,400 will come, and that is where again we may see a change. Now the thing is, we should not break 33,569 or 560 levels. So because of this Bank Nifty move within this range, we are finding it problem here to move in. So we need to break into this zone. So once it is 33,400, we will exit. Is enough for us for the day. Yeah, as I told you, 705. So I told you at 709 buyers will come, and they did come. So, but they may not have enough power. If let me check the order flow. Yeah, it seems yeah, they will not hold it. So only a move above 743 or 750 can scare them. Now shorts will continue their push towards 687. Such a lively one-way auction. Past 3 days has been very good for option sellers. I really loved. I never did option selling, but this kind of market structure gave me enough juice to sell. But probably tomorrow, if it is negative day today, tomorrow we may not have such a leeway to short options. I mean, in the nearby strikes. So let's see what is Reliance doing. It's not able to break above this, so it's tough for Reliance to carry market up. So let's see what is, yeah, HDFC is holding it a bit. Actually, there is a lot of put writing at 2080. That is what is controlling the market. But a break of 2080 can weaken HDFC a lot. Let's look at HDFC Bank futures. Yeah. So all we need to do is break 1311. So basically, if we break this zone, we may see negativity. But until then, we see that buyers are again trying to take option. So now that the market is so weak, let's see. Now that the market is so weak, they will try to build some momentum again. But eventually, market does not have any strength. In Bank Nifty, all I want is a move below 33,400, move towards 33,400. So in our short BNF, we have our stop loss now at entry. So it is a risk-free trade. We are risking this gain basically. But if someone is with one lot, I would suggest them to exit. This is a decent target. So this is around 120 points. So basically what we are doing now is in our paid room, we are shifting our stop loss to entry, which is around 33C 670. So the trade is risk free. So this is where we entered. This is where we entered. So now our stop loss is also, earlier stop loss was here. See how I catch very low risk entries. This is almost like 60 points, 60 to 70 points. That is. Now you see again the auction is taking on the downside. Let's see what is happening in Kotak. One of the students told me that, oh my God, that's some kind of a move. This is some kind of a move. So basically today Bank Nifty was used to Kotak was used. Sorry, Kotak was used to lift Bank Nifty, but Kotak is not the right stock to manage Bank Nifty, Kotak or any stock for that matter. It has to come up with either ICICI Bank or HDFC Bank. That's it. So if they are using Kotak and Axis Bank to lift Bank Nifty, we can understand that is one good point, which I missed, but one of my students highlighted to me that Kotak has gone for a toss. So this is one key point which will help you to assess that the market is will not have the energy to go up, because Kotak and Axis Bank compared to HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are weak links. So to lift Bank Nifty with Kotak and Axis, they have to really take it up very far. That means there should be really good positive on the other side. As I told you yesterday also, 15709 is the level where buyers will come, and today also they came. And see, they have already elapsed 10 minutes taking inventory there. But once they are done, they will be pushed towards 670. But those buyers, how do we identify that those buyers are strong or weak? I will identify those buyers as strong if they can push back above 770. If they cannot push back above 770 or this 800 levels, that means they are weak players. So in Nifty, we had puts, 15900 puts. We entered at around 139, 140 levels. We exited around 190 levels, a 50-point gain. So now our trade is cost free. For the rest of the lots, we hold the stop loss at entry. But for the first lot, or 25% or 50%, depending on traders' interest, they can. I ask them to exit here. Give me 4 minutes. I'll come back. I'll just have some water and come back. Just hold on. As I told you, we will make two-way auctions in this value area. That's what is happening. So if these buyers, if these late buyers, which who came at 709, if they are breaking above 770, that is when I would be booking my positions in shorts completely, or I will wait for my entries to, that means stop loss to hit, which is risk free basically. Let's see what they are doing in Bank Nifty. Yeah, in Bank Nifty also they are not getting enough momentum. Basically, they are using HDFC to pull the market up, keep the market up, and suddenly this will be dropped if the market has to fall. Yeah, Reliance is also kind of trying to get back into the zone. This is a boring range, and this is how they frustrate retail traders who end up making all wrong trades. So basically, what helps us taking successful trades is sticking to our plan. We should not move to market's gyrations. What I'm doing is wait for this zone. Once this is done, I'll book my shorts. And then I'll wait for any large move below 33,400 levels. Until then, we have to be very patient. Basically, how large players play in the market is they typically work like fishermen. When I say fishermen, they will wait. So this is all the waiting they did. And once they get enough retail buyers on the opposite side, they will make one big drop. That's why you see. So basically, most people follow candlesticks, patterns, whatnot, and all, but they need to understand the logic behind those candlesticks. Why these things happen is basically large players, first they make a range, drop it, range, drop it, range, drop it. Like that, they will wait for retail buyers to get trapped, and then they will give one shot. So once it goes in the opposite direction, retail buyers will keep on playing on both sides. So even when the market goes up, that is the situation. So the market is taken up, taken down, taken up, taken down, taken up, taken down. So we should not give in to those gyrations. And I see a large buyer sitting at 700. So see what is happening in Nifty. Same as I told you, there will be a two-way auction. They are kind of consolidating all the trapped buyers here, and then they will go. It's a wonderful auction today. I just loved it, especially when the market gives opportunities right in the morning. I'm the first one to take profits and run out because I don't want the market to play with my mind. If I'm in decent profit, no more punting. Because when our mind is fresh in the morning, we take our trades with utmost precision. Similarly, when your mind is confused in the morning, or when you are kind of bogged down with any personal stuff or anything, it is better not to trade. Post lunch, what happens is your mind gets tired. You tend to be subjective. That means you will not be objective. You will not look through the market with clear eyes. So that's why I prefer trading in the mornings. That is my personal style. I know traders who trade mostly in the afternoons, late in the day. So you are the best judge for your style of trading. You are here with me for the past 1 hour. Do you see any kind of emotion that I am giving into the market? No. I'm just sitting like a monk, as my brand says. I do not get bogged down with what the market is doing on the opposite side. Yeah, that's the zap. That's the zap. You saw that? See, I told you all these buyers will try to support this 709. That's why you see that they came back, but they will not be, they will be become the prey. So now only 770, we have to go above 770 for the market to kind of look positive. Otherwise, we will end up. Once, they are checking for liquidity below the value area. Now, if they find more, that's it. Boom, boom, boom. Here, the move will be faster. You see here, the move was very fast on the above the value area. And in the value area, you see there was slightly two-way auction. That's it. Our puts are going to hit our second target. I have told my clients to exit partly at 187, our 15,900 puts. Now, I have asked them to exit some more at second target. But our stop loss is entry. So it's a cost-free trade. Let's see what is happening in Bank Nifty. Has it broken? Yeah. It will eventually break the value area 33,226. So it will break that level. All my target is 33,400. If 33,400 comes, I'll ask my clients to exit one lot if they have. If they have more than one lot, because some players are really big. They trade like, kind of more than 10, 15 lots. For them, I have indication that they should exit at least 25% or 50%, depending on their commitment. See, basically, trading execution is a personal thing. We should not look for rules. Basically, if I am a large trader, I have like 10 lots or 20 lots, but I have some work to do after, like, say, 12 p.m., it is better I exit half of my position. If I am able to give more screen time today, I can exit 25%, like that. So trading execution is a very personal thing. You should learn how to decide for yourself. So basically, the purpose of this live session is also to tell you how to blend with the market rather than fighting with the market. So most of the retailers fight with the market, but professional traders blend in. They blend with the market. You see professional killers in movies. What happens? They will just blend into the society and you will not know them. You cannot identify that they are a killer. If you give that work to a retailer, he will immediately get caught. Why? Because he does not know how to blend in. So as a professional trader, you should know how to blend into the market, not fight with the market. So today what happens if I am a typical early entry level retail trader, I would have taken calls, or I would take calls because there is a gap up. And then once the market broke the day low, I will still sit in the calls waiting for the market to go up. It won't happen. Or even if it goes in my direction, that is the next level. Once traders become a bit experienced, what they will do, they will fight with the market in all these upturns. So every once green bar, and they will kind of exit their positions. Again on red bar, they will enter the position. Like that, they will ruin their trades. So if you have any question, you can put in the comment box. There are no questions means I am teaching damn good. That's the positive side of it, right? I'm teaching in such a way that there are no questions. So let's look at Nifty. Wow. So buyers are coming below this level. Now I will be a bit careful. I will kind of, I will not be, what I can say, careless. So I will not let my emotion think that I am a star today because I got the trade right. I will not sit and kind of rejoice until I exit all my trades. I will be careful. So here we should not break above 742 and 777 now. Until then, the auction can go down. All I am looking is a break of 667. If that happens, we can see 522. You see, they come back and then they are taken down. So basically, in a slow market, you need to be very, very careful. We need to be very careful. What happens is in a slow market, the market tends to confuse us a lot. You know, any trader can make a profit if the market suddenly gaps 400 points, right? Anyone can do that. But the successful trader is one who is not giving into these emotions. That is very, very important. So basically, people use technicals to trade, but I suggest you should use technicals only to control your mind. They will not generate a trade. The market, the trade generation should happen with market understanding, but your mind control should come with technicals. So basically, I drew a simple parallel line. So I knew that is the reason why there is green bar. So now when the market breaks this parallel line, I should be careful. That is what it says. It may break here, here, wherever it is. If it breaks down this, now we are going to see big gash. Let's do that for Nifty also. So you should always use technicals to your advantage. Yeah. So in this, I will look for a break of basically this one or this level 770, as I told you. Until then, you know, it will keep on sliding like Mercury. you are liking this video, please give a like so that a number of people come. Just give a like. All I am looking for is, yeah. So basically, once I break 667, as I told you, we can look this, and a fall below this range can be brutal. But certainly here buyers will come slowly. So it may not be a straight fall. It may slowly fall like this, like this, like this. As the day goes, so we will keep on falling like this until 579. Similarly, in Bank Nifty, as the day goes, I am looking for 33090 by the end of the day. But somewhere we will have a reversal. But my target in Bank Nifty is 33,400. That's it. I will exit most of my positions. In Nifty, we will exit at around 15,667 or mostly at 15,522. It. See how beautifully the auction is going on the downside. My target is 640. Now, let's look at Bank Nifty. Yeah, we are breaking the channel. So all I want is a touch of 33,400. Then I can rest for the day because mostly my day will be done. I don't have to do expiry trades also today. Because this kind of move, if you can catch it, what else do you need every day? And especially on an expiry day. Our second target is also met. Just a minute, guys. So basically, we are waiting for in Nifty. I'm waiting for 640. Our next target is going to be, wow. See, I told you the fall will be brutal. Please do not enter, guys. Here entry is very dangerous. Wow. Let me put this in our free channel for those who are not attending. So that's it, 640. Now I will be careful. So we have reached 33,400 also in Bank Nifty. Hooray. So I can ask my clients to exit 33,400. Carry for 33,090. Put SL at 33. So our entry was here, so they can put around 33,527. 33,527. So this is how I guide my clients. It's not like kind of giving them a trade and leaving it to their will. So now, as I told you, we are getting buyers at the bottom. I will be happy. I should not now change my mind because trade is going in my side. I should not change my mind. If I am having, the rule is, if I am having one lot, I will exit. If I am having 10 lots, I will exit at least 50% here, because there can be a sudden move up on the, but Nifty is not holding. As I told you, if we break 640, the next level is going to be 579 or 522. So we are still holding puts. We will exit some more at 264, as I showed you just now. Basically, Bank Nifty is getting some, oh, that is also falling. Awesome. So basically, I am looking for 33,090. If that is hit, I'll be more happy. See how large players trap retailers. They take slowly down, giving a benefit of doubt that the market will move up. It did not. Their intention was to take down. Now, if you see why I do this state of the market live, you see, even after this move, we are still in zone 1. On a daily time frame, we are still in zone 1. That's it. Nothing has happened. To be frank, we are just sitting in zone 1. Yeah, in Nifty, we have broken that. So 622, another 100 points. So if 522 is broken, the market can be brutal. Mark the word. If 522 is broken, market can be brutal. So be very careful. That's it. It's gone. So now all I want is a break of this zone so that I can get 33,090. Reliance, let's see. Let's see in Reliance intraday. My God, yeah. Yeah, but we need to break as I told in the morning SOTM live, we need to break 2,600 for a short. Then only we will see 2,500. So they kind of gapped it up and then taking down. Yeah, here we are seeing some momentum. So I'll book my shorts now. So I have exited my Bank Nifty short. It's okay, partly. Probably I'll hold one more for 33.90, but with a stop loss at around 33,527. That's what I told my clients also. So basically, yeah, here as I told you, we will see some buyers, but it is now overstretched. So because it is tiring for me also, the day has been good. So I will not wait for any expiry move. I'll not wait for the expectation of a move like this or like this or anything. Even if the market goes to 33,090, I'll wait for tomorrow, because the objective should be I should not lose the gains that I have made today. That is very, very important. This is the number one lesson. You have to write it down as a trader. I have confidence that it will go down, but I will not. I'm happy with the profits today. Is a personal choice, because I do not have the luxury to focus only on the market. I have various other things that I have to take care personally. That's why I should take the decision as an individual. If you are a trader, you need to have something for yourself. You cannot expect the market to help you. You cannot expect anyone to help you. You need to help yourself in certain things. Like now, I want to take rest, kind of, relax, because the day has been good. So even, here I should not be bogged down by the greed that the market will go to 33,090 because I put a line there. No, it's not like that. It can go back. So what I am doing, I am executing it slowly. This is how professionals execute. They do not give in to emotions. So basically, I want to show you an example what it means, like not giving to emotions. Uh, you need to watch this video to understand. Uh, so the market is like a snake. So you cannot. So I'll put that video in, yeah, the journey of the dragon. I'll put that video in our free channel. You can watch it. So basically, in that video, what Jackie Chan shows is that the women is controlling the snake. The snake is not controlling the women. So the market is like a snake. So when you are trading, you need to control the market. You need to control the urge in yourself to not make losses or to forego profits. How slowly we are falling. Let's look at Nifty. Nifty is getting some buyers here, but I don't think it will stop going from 15,522. We have to break it. Here, kind of, we are getting some buyers. There can be a move towards 730 levels here. If buyers come and push it. this in this zone we are getting some nice buying around 620 630 level. So any move above 647 or 650, I will be careful. That means getting back into this zone. If it get back into this zone, I'll be a bit careful. Otherwise, what they will do is they will come towards this parallel channel and then fall. Just give me a 5 minute break. I'll come back at 11:40. Just give me 5 10 minutes. I'll come back. Please hold on for 10 minutes, guys. I'll be back. Yeah, we are seeing the market. As I told you, it will try to enter into the channel and then come back, right? So my objective is 522 and 579. That is when we will get a lot of traction. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll be back. So as you see, we had one big zap. So during times like this, we should take kind of back view where we are, you see. So basically, now we are standing at the support. So once we break this 33090, that is when we are going to look a lot of pain. As I told you in the morning, SOTM live, on a daily chart, we are having inside day. So now the inside day is broken. So 200 is broken. So now we should not form an outside bar, either a trend bar or an outside bar. There is a fair chance we break 33090. That can also happen because it is expiry. And there can be a move back towards the mid, which is 33400. If at all you want to look for any move up, it should be until 33400 only. So don't bet, buy calls or anything until we break, go back into this zone, 33329. Basically, these pullbacks are only to trap retailers. See, you see this green pullback happens and then down. Pullback happens, down. So until we see some concrete evidence that the market will go up, we should not go long. You see, our puts are almost double. 15900 deep in the money puts are double. So now at 522, I am looking for a base. If that is broken, then I would say it would be tough for the market to come back to higher levels. Reliance is also giving up. That's a decent fall. As I told you, yeah, 590, 587. Oh, I'm looking for 522. This is the final level where I will expect a bounce. I've been telling about 522 level. Not getting any big buyers as of now. As of now, we are still, kind of falling, and there is no sign of any rise as of now. But Reliance, one good thing is Reliance is not breaking 2600. So we need a break. Oh, it has broken. It just broke. But in cash, we are still holding. So basically, for options players, Reliance cash is more important. So we're not at breaking that. So once we break this, once selling comes in cash, the move can be faster. move can be faster. Yeah, I don't think so. My target of 33,090 was on the dot. If we break that, we can see 32,800. So one of the key level in Nifty I will look for is 30, 16, 15,650. If we have to go up again, 15,650 is the maximum level I can see. After that, again, sellers will come. So if you see, this channel will continue. Do not change the channel as the market is going, because that will only create more bias. So we have to, the market is like, trying to get into this. That's how it will continuously fall to 24, and then we will see for any move towards higher levels. We are getting small buyers, but they should break into this zone, 640. Same thing with Bank Nifty. So almost both of my targets are met. Like I am wrong here by only 70 points. Sorry, so around 75 points. And here I have a difference of 33,090. So basically, once this level comes, I am fully out of the market. If you have done good for the day, I would not trade more. I will be happy and exit. If you have not, then we have to wait for the behavior around these levels, 33,090 and 15,520. We need to break at least 15,650 in Bank Nifty. Sorry, Nifty. Now the auction is getting tired and it's not as clean as it was in the morning. Now after 12:30 or 1, we may have large moves depending on what players want to do, especially after Europe Open. If they decide for negativity, we can break these levels also. We can see really bad move. Basically, on the upside, if we have to travel all the way and if we have to make it a balanced day, there is a fair chance we can go even to 16. But that does not mean you take OTM calls here and make money. That's not. We have to break at least this zone for going to the higher levels. Until then, you just stay with the trend. So basically, we are kind of remaining in zone 1 in both Nifty and in Nifty we left zone 1 and entered slightly into zone 2. So that's why I'm expecting 15,522. In Bank Nifty we are sticking to zone 1. Action can behave very calmly and then suddenly it can give a zab again towards 522. That's how the behavior is. Expect longs only above 650 and 770. If we fail at 650, again there can be a move down. If we accept 650, we can go back to 770, and then the auction will again decide what to do here. Basically, in market, as new buyers and new sellers are coming, the market will continuously reprocess the information. Do never be biased. I should not expect that, okay, my moving average is somewhere here at 15,988 and I should immediately go here. That's not how you should trade. You should not be biased, basically. Let's look at on a slightly higher time frame. See, this is how it is. Basically, I am looking for 524, and once that is done, it's like climax. In this 33,090. Hey guys, it's 12 o'clock. We'll take a break. Let me see if I can do another live session in the afternoon between 2 and 3:30 p.m. If there is any good move, I will again pull you back. I'll post the link in our channel. So please subscribe to my channel. Just do not watch without subscribing. Please subscribe. Please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions are paramount to me. Hope you have liked this live commentary. If there is any feedback, please chat me in Telegram. I'll try to incorporate as much as I can. So to wrap it up, I'm looking for the auction to hit 33,090. and in Nifty 15524, we may get a reversal from there. If we do not get reversal here, then it can be a big bad day, a big red day. There can be a big red candle on a daily time frame. Otherwise, we can go back to this zone basically. So if you want to long here about, let's say, if it goes to 524, I would long above 600 levels, and then it may look for this zone as the target. So basically, in market profile terms, it is a B-shaped profile. That's what I am expecting so far. If that does not happen, then we can keep on going towards down levels. So that's all for today, guys. It is lunchtime. We all might have to go back, have lunch, and then come back. Let's see at 2 o'clock. Have a great day, guys.